Brought my camera again. Or I mean, this is a different camera now. This one's a film camera. What is it? EOS something or other. It's a Canon. The lens with it, it's not really compatible, so the aperture is not adjustable. The pins on the camera, something's the matter with it. I had to put some tape on the little contact deals because it was like jamming up, and so no aperture control, but that's all right. I ordered another camera and it'll be here 5 days, next Wednesday. See, that might be an okay picture. All the lights. Alright, let's see if this is any good. I kind of do like that. It's really kind of not bright out. Alrighty. I don't have my little notebook, so I can't, oh shit, that's kind of cool too. Real nails to go. Why? I need to just leave this thing turned on. Alrighty. I'll just leave it turned on. Alright. Now downtown we go. I like this right here. If I can do it. Alright. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay. Ooh, that bird is there on top of that cross. Might be too high up. I don't know if I could get a good angle. See what it looks like in there. I kind of do like that. Oh yeah. Tattoo shop, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Tattoo. Okie dokie. Oh, I guess Big Five. I kind of like their aesthetic. Okay. There. Ooh, it's kind of nice. Wish it was lit up a little more. Okay. Ooh. That's a nice roof there.
Some birds flying by. I hope that got in there. What up, fellas? Should get a picture of them. That's a lot of fucking fire extinguishers. Maybe like right here, something like that. Fine. Well, okay, I guess that's good. We're getting pictures. That seems okay, actually. Broken bottle. Not taking a picture of that. Yeah, I'm gonna go down there because I don't know. I really like this laundry place. It's really cool looking to me. They got multiple buildings and like there's like sort of spaces in the middle. You can kind of, I don't know, just breaks it up a little bit and it's still like very neat looking. Just hope that I'm not too close to it. And I think I might be too close to it. So, alright, get out of here, car. Okay. Oh, I'll picture this guy. That's actually really nice. I like that. Alright, slow speed maneuvering. Oh, hey, it's the farmer's market. Yeah, I don't know about that. But I did get a picture, so. 4 left. Whew. this. I guess it is probably good to a little diversity. I'll get a picture of the dugout here. Alright, 2. We're almost there. Whew. Alright, I'll do one right here, and then I'll go over to the train station. It's a neat building. Okay. Train. People really use this thing. I thought it would just be like no one over here. Alright, I got one picture left. I think, right? Yeah.
Frenchies. Big picture Frenchies. I like Frenchies.
Alright, this is picture. Last picture. I don't really like it. I'm too far away. Okay. Alright, that's not good still, but I mean, that is okay. It's doing its thing.